Hello! Join this family for a cozy Saturday dinner. They talk about their busy week, enjoy a delicious meal, and, of course, eat dessert. This simple and fun story will help you learn useful English for everyday conversations. It is Saturday evening. The table is full of food. There is roast chicken, mashed potatoes, and vegetables. The smell is delicious. Dad sits at the table. Mom brings a big bowl of salad. Dinner is ready. Mom says. Emma and Ben run to the table. I'm so hungry. Ben says. Me too. Emma says. They all sit down and start eating. This chicken is so good, Mom, Emma says. Thank you, dear, Mom says. I cooked it with love. Dad takes a big bite. I love Saturdays. Ben eats his mashed potatoes. I had a crazy week at school, he says. Oh. What happened? Dad asks. We had a math test. It was so hard. Ben says. Emma smiles. I finished my art project. My teacher loved it. That's great, Emma. Mom says. Dad looks at Ben. And how was your test? Ben looks down. I will tell you after dessert. Dad raises an eyebrow. That bad? Ben laughs nervously. Maybe. Mom changes the subject. What about you, dear? She asks Dad. How was work this week? Dad sighs. Busy, as always. But today, I didn't think about work at all. I just relaxed. That's good. Emma says. You always work too much. Dad smiles. Yes, but I love spending time with you guys. They finish dinner. Mom stands up. Time for dessert, she says. Emma and Ben cheer. Yay! Dessert! Mom brings a chocolate cake. The cake looks perfect. Wow! Ben says. That cake looks amazing. Emma takes a bite. This is the best cake ever. Dad smiles. Good food, good family, and good dessert. What more do we need? Ben licks his spoon. Maybe a second piece of cake? Mom laughs. Okay, but just one more. Ben and Emma take another piece. Saturday dinner is the best.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.